Hi everybody, happy November to you all. Today is November 1st, 2016. I want to tell you something really exciting. As we all know, I'm Bitcoin Yoda, but there's this thing called ZCash that just came out last week. In fact, it's only about 4 days old. I think it came out on October 29, so 4 days ago. And this thing is going to be a lot more secure. It's endorsed by a lot more people that are very credible. You know, and we're talking about how it was with Bitcoin back in 2010. And if you go to ZCash, Z.cash, I just want to show you this really quick. And I also want to tell you how you can get started with ZCash and how to mine it. Again, it's very new. But of course, you buy on speculation. And so it's definitely starting to show why you should do this. So ZCash, if you go to Z.cash, you can see what ZCash is. Basically, it's just like Bitcoin. However, it's a lot more confidential. Okay, it's a cryptocurrency. It's on a public blockchain. But if you go to ZCash, you can see why it makes such a big difference. Okay, I'm not going to go into all the details of how it works and all that stuff. You can do all that on your own. The purpose of this video today is to show you who's backing it, and then how can you get started with it so you can take advantage of it and get earn a lot of income or earn a lot of ZCash coins, which you can convert to Bitcoin. Okay, but let me show you this. Okay, so you scroll down on the website, go to the team. You can see how transparent this is. Okay, there's the founder and the CEO. And you can see his accolades, what he was involved with when it comes to DigiCash and all these other companies. But you see who else is behind it too. There's people from UC Berkeley, Johns Hopkins University, Tel Aviv University, MIT. You know, I mean, that's one of the most prestigious engineering schools there is. But you look at who else is there, all these people that are involved, along with who their advisors are. Okay, now these people voluntarily put their face out there and their name to show that they are on board with this, and even Amazon is supporting ZCash. So you have Gavin Anderson from Bitcoin Foundation, Vitalik Buterin from Ethereum, Stanford. You have all these other, here's their legal department. You see who else is investing in this. There's tons of people. There's tons of people. Bitcoin angel investor. Who else is here? All these techies. Okay. And so, you know, the reason why I'm showing you this, even Shapeshift is involved. And you can actually convert using Shapeshift now with it. And again, it's only 4 days old. 4 days old. So do the research on Z.cash, but how can you actually get started? That's what I want to show you. So the first thing that you want to do is this. You want to go and make your ZCash wallet. And you can do that by going to, there's a couple of sites, but I like to use Jaxx.io. And the reason why is if you go, see, ZCash is, you can mine on your own computer, but you have to use a Linux-based computer. And, you know, not too many of us use a Linux-based computer because it's very, very technical. It's very powerful, but it's very technical. Now, you know, you can go here also. Where did I see it? I'll post the link for some other sites that you can use, but I like to use Jaxx. And I like Jaxx because it's been around, and this is where you're going to create your wallet. And you can either use Firefox, which is what I used. For iPhones, it's still not updated, so it will be soon. But you can use Windows, you can use a Mac, but not yet on iPhones. You can use Chrome. So I used Firefox extension. Okay, so you're going to go download Firefox extension, and basically it's going to look like this. Hold on here. Okay, so go follow the instructions, and you'll have a wallet that'll come up as your extension. Message me if you need any help with it. But here's my wallet. Okay, that's my wallet ID right there. And so you're going to copy that, and you're going to save that, because that's the wallet you're going to be using for all your ZCash transactions. Now, where can you actually start to earn some ZCash? Well, you need to mine it. It doesn't make sense to mine it on your own computer because it takes a lot of power and a lot of energy, so it's really not the most efficient way to do it. So where do you go? You go to Genesis Mining, and I will provide you my link below, so that way you can get 3% as a discount and also earn some additional hash power. Okay, so I just did it this morning, but here's where you go. Okay, you're gonna click the link below that I'm going to provide for you, and you're going to create your Genesis Mining account, and it'll take you to this page. Now, what you want to do is go to My Account, go to Settings, okay, and then go to Wallet, and you're going to add your ZCash wallet here. So I just added mine there, and so now your ZCash wallet is there. That's the one that you copied. Now what you want to do is upgrade. Excuse me. You want to buy some mining rights. Okay, so you're actually going to buy a 1-year contract, and you can do you can buy mining rights for other coins too, of course, like Bitcoin, X11, and Ethereum. But particularly right now, I'm putting all my resources towards mining some ZCash, and so you can see how much it costs to do it. Right? It's up to you, whatever you want to do. Do whatever you're comfortable with. I mean, you can go all the way up to mining 3,000 hash per second, but of course that would cost $130,000 right now. So, you know, do what's comfortable for you, and you can play around with it here. I started off with 3 hash per second. That's $145 US. But you can also pay with different payment methods. You can use a credit card, you can use a wire transfer, but there's fees, or you can use Bitcoin, which is what I did. So if you do it using Bitcoin, you can see how much Bitcoin you're going to be sending to them. So 0.2 Bitcoin is what you'd be sending for 3 hash per second. So you click continue, and then type in the promo code below that I will be providing you, so you can get 3% discount, so it'll be even less, and you'll see it reflected here. Click agree on the terms, and then what you're going to do is confirm the order. When you confirm the order, it's going to send you a wallet address that you're supposed to send to. Now, this is a Bitcoin wallet address. So what you're going to do is go to your Bitcoin wallet, like Coinbase wallet or blockchain, whatever you have, and you're going to send 0.2 Bitcoin to this wallet address. And literally within about 20 minutes, I got an email confirmation from Genesis Mining saying that I'm already starting to mine some ZCash. And so I'll be posting some videos to show you my progress. But here's what's so crazy about ZCash. This is on Poloniex, which is an exchange where you can exchange different currencies. Today's value of Bitcoin is 733 as of it's about 4:30 p.m. right now here in California. That's my niece saying hi. But you can see that one ZCash coin is $1,300. When it opened up 4 days ago on October 29, it was at around 22 Bitcoin for one ZCash, which is like $20,000 almost. Now, of course, it went down, but it's starting to rise again. My point is, you want to get in now, because if this goes up in the next couple of months, which is what we expect it to do, you know, you're locking in your mining rights right now. So you're buying your mining rights for really cheap, and you're going to be able to produce more and more ZCash. Can you imagine if ZCash goes back up to $20,000 for one ZCash coin, you know, and you're still mining it at the rate that you bought it in, which was, you know, let's say 0.2 Bitcoin, you'll be making a lot of profit pretty fast. So this is not an overnight thing, But basically what your intent here is to lock in your mining rights at a low rate right now using my link, so that way it'll pay you over and over every single day. Anyways, comment below and tell me what you think. My links are below, and I'll be posting more videos.